I don't normally straight up just ask you for help, but I'm asking you for your help. I'm teaching some coursework at Camp Hero in McKee, Kentucky for first responders and military personnel that is free. I just need you to help me get the word out. So here's what we do. We build fires. We sit around the campfire and talk. We hang out. We build shelters, tie knots. We purify water. We play in the creek. We eat like kings. We eat like kings down here. It's insane how good we eat. Have a good time playing in the outdoors with like-minded folks. If you are a military personnel or know a military personnel or first responder, whether it's fire, EMS, law enforcement, whoever it is, let them know about this video. In the description below is a link for you to find out all the details to sign up. Again, the coursework and the training is free. The food is free. We'd love to have you join us, and I'd love to get in the woods with you. Come on, join in. Let's learn together.